Hey guys, how's it going? Today's community day in Pokemon Go, and this video's been a long time coming. I wanted to make a video on Pokemon Go in Japan. What is Pokemon Go like in the place that Pokemon is from? Today's community day, we're gonna go and catch some Magikarps. It's a Magikarp day, and Kit's already caught 3 shiny Magikarps just this morning, just sitting at home. So I'm expecting at least 1 if she caught 3 already. Anyway, let's go walk around and see what it's like here in Japan, Okinawa, Japan. You just got another shiny?
I just got another shiny.
Oh geez, today's gonna be crazy. Okay guys, I'm eating my spicy chicken here. We're switching seats because Kit really doesn't want to drive.
I'm always driving. Driving 99% of the time.
It's true. I don't even remember how to drive.
Yay.
Okay, let's try this camera view. Maybe this one's better. Like a sideways here. You guys should be able to see what I'm doing a little more. Plus I could show you around a little bit. You can see there's really no one around, which is very nice. There's Kit as I catch this Magikarp.
There's a lot of Magikarp here though. Anyways, I'm just happy to be out and about. Like, we're off today, so it's just kind of nice to get outside and just doing some things.
Remember to pop your lucky egg and some other stuff.
Oh yeah.
I did the Stardust as well.
I'm excited to spend some time with my baby.
And vlog and Pokemon Go.
Yep, that sounds like a really good day.
You can see where I'm at here. Here, I'll show you. You can see Mihama right here and my eggs hatching. But that's the main intersection of Mihama with the Ferris wheel and all that. And I got this Meowth. You use the candies to evolve these Pokemon. And Gyarados is what Magikarp evolves into. And Gyarados is a very strong Pokemon. But I need 400 of these candies to catch him. Oh, and they're showing Hayao Miyazaki movies. Look at Spirited Away, Princess Mononoke. Is that Nausicaa? Guys, we just got another shiny. I'll show you on the screen, but let me put you down. Maybe I should have given it a berry or something. I don't want the shinies to run away, you know. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, almost transferred it on accidente. Okay guys, we're setting up shop. We found a spot here. I'll walk outside and I'll show you where we are. Let me show you on our screen too. I'm just starting the screen recording. So you can see this is where we're at. I'm playing here. And this is what we see. We could put lure models on modules on all these stops here. We could reach 4 stops, and as you can see, there's a shitload of Magikarp right now. So this is where we're at, and there's a little parking lot here, a little cove, just sitting in the shade, hanging out, putting lure modules. I keep saying models. And we're gonna start clicking on some of these Magikarp. Okay guys, I'm here. There's a lot of people here. I'm looking around, and I can see that guy's playing, and then that guy there, right there, he has 3 phones he's holding and he's playing Pokemon Go. Hot area here, Magikarps and stuff. Still, everyone's just catching them. This is a good spot though, guys. Oh, I didn't catch it. All right, guys, that was it for the community day of Pokemon. So the community day ended at 5. It's now 5:10, as you can see there. But let's see some of the highlights here of what I got. All my Pokemon are dead. So I got this guy, a shiny Deoxys, and I actually caught another Deoxys that's not shiny. So I have 2 Deoxys, and I don't even know how many shiny Magikarp I got, but let's see. Okay, here we go. I got 10. That's how Pokemon Community Day goes here in Okinawa, Japan. overall it was good. And when you're in a thick city here in Japan, it is crazy how much Pokestops and gyms and stuff there are. So if you're interested in Pokemon Go, know that it's very good here. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of the day now that I don't have to be on my phone. Community day is done. Sitting here on a bridge, it's a beautiful day. Look at the clouds in the sky. That is so pretty. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Hit the subscribe button if you like Pokemon or Japan or Okinawa. Cover anything I find interesting about those things here. And thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.